Hello guys, today we learn about how to merge we can plan it in auto. First of all, we can draw in the structure of the AutoCAD. Next, it convert into the Revit plan. So first of all, we open the AutoCAD software here. Until we open, we wait for it. Okay, it will be coming interface like this, and okay, and we should, okay guys, now open the, first of all we draw the structure of the building or anything. Click on the start diagram. It will open like this, and next, first of all you select the units, you can enter, and here you can change as the architectural engineering, and we can change we can change as the millimeters, we can change as the in feet, inches, and click on OK here. Next, go for the limit here. Limits means 0, 0, enter it, and next 1000, 1000. It will be going on the only structure of the, we can see here like this. We can zoom in and we can zoom in, that's it. Up to here we can see like this, we can see here. So it will be like this. And now take a rectangle section here, and next we should draw the outer layer like this. This is my length is 50 feet. Enter. Again, this is a 50 feet. For that, okay, select it and delete, and take a rectangle again, 50 feet, comma, it will be taken as 40 feet, enter it. So we can get the structure here, rectangle structure, we get it. And next we should take this take for offset, we should take the offset for this, and further select this rectangle and click on offset, enter it, and go the point here, we should select, and it will be changed as 5 feet, and enter it. Here we get it. So like this we get it, and next click on escape it. Next we should take for this, we should draw the inner walls for this wall, and go for the line here, line segment, and next we should take here like this, take a here midpoint. Here we not get the midpoint, so further go for the here options will be there. Here go for the midpoint, here click on midpoint, center point, no points, not enough, okay, it will be enough it, and click on it. Next escape it, and go click on the line segment and go for the here midpoint. We get it. For this midpoint we should select towards the downward direction. Click on OK, escape it. And next thing, again take a line. Here we get the midpoint here like this. Okay, like this we can draw a segment like this, and we should select this wall and click on offset, find this enough it, click on OK for this. Okay, and we get the wall inches was 5 inches wall, we get it. For this we should again for this take a offset here, enter it. It will be changed as 4 feet wall. Okay, it will be gap is the 4 feet, and further I want to select this rectangle and click on offset, enter it. It will be changing as 9 inches wall, enter it, click on enter. Okay, we get it. And next we should trim these walls. We don't need these lines, so for that click on trim, enter, select all of that here, and like this we can trim. Okay, here the small lines are there. Okay, like this we should trim it. Again the trim was completed, so we can, here we did not trim it. The trim was completed, you can see, check it once. Okay, the trim was completed for this, and next we should save as a, okay, we can save it and go further here, click on save as Revit, import file, Revit import file 1 or 2, as I already having this file, so for that I will adding the number 2 and click on save. Okay, for this walls for this section we can complete the outer wall, and this is the wing. And next we already saved in this file, so for that and click on minimize, open the Revit software and go for the open here, open project, and further go for the documents here, the documents, go for my computer, We can search here. We get it here. Okay, we get it here, and this is the method input file. Double click on it, it will be opening in the Revit software, and then we wait for opening. Here we get it, a Revit input file. Click on OK, open it. Okay, next we should go for the architecture template. Click on it. We get the structure like this, and next we should select the levels here, which side which facing are this, like this. Selecting on the north facing. For that we should select for this we should here we can see here in only we will there in the unit. So for that UN, and it will be shortcut command. It is a unit, we can change in the UN, and we can change as a feet and section inches, and click on it and click on OK here. It will be changes directly. It will be next click on OK here. Here we can see the inches, we can feet and inches we get it here. And first of all we should select the levels and click on levels option. Simply add the levels as per our requirements, and escape it. Next we can edit these levels, we can as per requirements. For this level 1 I can change as ground floor, the ground level. Okay, this is we can change as ground level, and I want to add the ground level slab for that, and 5 inches. Enter it. So 5 inches, and level 3 we can change as a ground floor slab, and GS we can rename and enter it. Next this is my boundary level. For that I want to give the boundary level for total structure. For that I am giving the 4 feet, and 4 feet I am giving for these. Enter it. Okay, and this level 6 we can rename as a boundary layer. Boundary layer, and enter it. Next this is my first floor of this slab. For this layer to this level 2, for this level we can change as 10 feet and 5 inches. Or enter it. For this downwards toward upward direction, it will be changing as a 10 feet directions. And next in this and level 4 we can click on double enter. It is 11 feet of the slab. I did not edit this level to rename. It is the first floor. Level 4 we can use FS as the first floor slab. Next level 5 we can use as 11 feet. It will be changing as 14. Okay, here this is my parapet wall. It is toward the 3 to 4 feet height will be there. So for that I am taking the 4 feet. 11 feet plus 4 feet, it is 15 feet. Enter it, and this is my level 5 we can rename as PW, which carpet mode, and enter it. Okay, in this class we added the levels. In next class, how to import in the previous AutoCAD class, we can in the AutoCAD software we already saved that. How to in this project, how to import, we can see this level. Thank you.